Hi there, Neil from Richter, and welcome to another video. As you can see, something again completely different in the workshop. This is an R8 V8 Spyder, around 2015. This was brought into us by a specialist. The roof was in op, so they took it in as a part exchange. When they went to test it, before they put it up for sale, the roof was not operating. There's about 25 different sensors and micro switches on these cars, and what had happened, one of them had failed, which is basically a replacement wiring harness for the whole roof. To fit that harness, you have to remove the entire convertible top. So it's around 22 hours labour to do the whole thing. Then we have to go online, configure it all back up again, get it synchronised. That's now back together. The roof is now working. This rear lid is open. We're just waiting for a couple of micro switches just to finish that piece off and get that resynchronised. But yeah, I thought it was a really interesting one. People know we do rear view cameras, audio upgrades, that sort of thing. But we're taking on a lot more of these kind of a lot more complicated jobs as well. And like I say, this customer rang a number of Audi dealers. Nobody would really take it on. And yet the team here, a couple of days work, and they've managed to get this all up and running for the customer, which is fantastic news. Yeah, I'd love to know what you think in the comments, and we'll catch up in the next video.